Mr. Dey, the query of the court is whether the petitioner can collect the money in entire money in one go.
Let him come and submit the documents. Things will
Will
be
you
over in
please say
26.
yes or no? Let the officer be online. I'll explain what is to be done, and I know how to extract answers.
আরো ফেঁসে গেল।
What is the stand of the bank? Can the entire money be collected?
Yes, Malad, that is my instruction. Lordship kindly goes through my instruction.
Which portion do I see?
But only the initial premium was paid, the second paragraph, under the policy, and as per the terms and conditions of the policy, discontinued and fund moved to discontinuance fund. The lock-in period under the policy is 5 years, which ends on 26. Yes. As per the terms and conditions of the policy, at the end of lock-in period, discontinuance of fund is payable. The same is payable preliminary in the following manner. So, Malad, these are the two things that are given. Can take the annuity policy or can commute.
Your officers are so interested in selling insurance policies, they do not come up with a single sentence which the requirement was whether the petitioner can withdraw the entire money in one go. One sentence they can't write.
No, because they have to follow the guidelines. Lordship kindly
Let them follow the guidelines.
But without following the these regulations are 20. They have to follow the regulations. Otherwise,
let them
later
follow
on,
the guidelines. Listen, Mr. Dey, the query of the court is whether the petitioner can collect the money in entire money in one go.
The ombudsman order, if that is, we are
I do not want to hear anything. Just tell me yes or no.
We are complying with the ombudsman order. Let him come and submit the documents. Things will
be over. Will you please say yes or no?
Whatever is there is here. And
this is not the query of the court. You are trying to complicate matters.
My officers will have to follow the regulations.
Tell your officers to join online. I'm not going to pass any order. Tell them to join online.
Lordship, kindly take the page 24. Lordship.
Immediately, the person should be there. I will not look at anything. Please give the next file. The query is very specific. Tell them when he joins.
Officer cannot go beyond the regulation.
Sir, the query is whether the amount can be paid full on in December 26.
We are saying that.
You say yes or no?
We are saying that.
What you are saying?
The lock-in period under the policy ends on 26. But at that time, most probably, but it will get over. So that is what the ombudsman order.
What is most probably?
Because Malad, we do not. Malad, this is an insurance policy. We do not know what will happen then. Because today we are in 2025.
What is to happen? He has paid money and he'll take it back with the interest.
That is why I am beseeching your lordship. Malad, let them comply with. In fact, we are complying with the.
Want an answer from your officer. If you are unable to explain, let the officer be online. I'll explain what is to be done, and I know how to extract answers.
So that is all right. But
no, nothing doing. Your officer is not playing right with the court.
Playing, she cannot go beyond the regulation, my lord.
Yes, 19.
I will take up if he's online.
Yes, if he's online. At 4:15 or 20, let him to be let her.
I have a present at 3:30 p.m. my lord.
4:50.
That will continue. That will continue till 4:30.
4:30 you come.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, the court wants to know, firstly, what is your designation?
I'm Associate Vice President.
All right. So you must be knowing what the fact of the matter is?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The petitioner deposited certain money with the insurance company and thereafter could not pay the premium possibly. And now you all have clubbed this into a separate insurance account where with a 5-year lock-in period, and it is ending on the 29th of December 2026. The query of the petitioner is on 29th December 2026, will he be entitled to withdraw the principal and the interest in one go?
So, ma'am, I would like to brief this case. So this is a retire smart. This is a pension policy, ma'am. So he paid only 2 lakhs premium. He was supposed to pay 5 years, but he paid only one initial premium. Mrs. Ruma Gupta, she paid only one initial premium. So due to which this is a terms and conditions of the policy itself. It says that in case of discontinuance of this premium, this policy will move into a discontinuance fund. This is as per the terms and conditions of the policy only. So this is inbuilt in the policy itself. So at the end, so when you say this discontinuance policy, so the policy, it goes to the discontinuance policy fund. So as per the terms and conditions of this policy, there is a lock-in period of 5 years starting from the date of inception of the policy. So during the lock-in period of this policy, you cannot take any payout under the policy. This is as per the IIDA regulation. This policy is built in. So after that, at the end of the lock-in period, customer has got basically two options. Either he can take out of that fund value at the end of the lock-in period, he can either take annuity policy, which is a pension
The
policy.
petitioner is not inclined to continue with any policy. She wants her money back. Will it be possible?
So,
The
ma'am,
principal and the interest.
so what happened? It won't be per se principal plus interest. It will be the discontinuance fund value, ma'am. So this 2 lakh rupee minus some charges has already got credited into the discontinuance policy fund in the year 2022. So as on today, the value is around 2.20 lakh rupees as on today. So as the policy again progresses at the end of 2026, this amount will again go up. It will never come down because this amount is again this amount is invested in the fixed deposit or in the debt fund only. So as per the terms and conditions, she is not eligible for full refund, ma'am. Actually, as per the terms and conditions, there is no eligibility of a full refund, but there is an IIDA regulation which stipulates there that with the given fund value, if that annuity is not becoming 1,000 rupees per month, insurer is supposed to refund this money. So only at the end,
whatever the petitioner is entitled to, please refund, and she is not interested to purchase any further annuity or anything, and she wants her money back. All right.
okay.
Please come.
So it is at the end of the lock-in period, ma'am, that
Yes,
pay
yes.
amount.
Yes, at the end of the lock-in period.
Yes. What vacancy? Oh, annuity there. Interest also part also is there.
Whatever is
Entitled.
due to you
Yes.
will be given back.
Yes.
Acha. Please record her designation.
Entitled.
Such and such person is present online. Stuff. It has been submitted that the petitioner would be entitled to take refund of the amount that is credited in her account along with interest
Yes.
on 29th December 2026.
Yes.
Stop paragraph. The
Ma'am, again, discontinuance fund value, it would be.
discontinuance fund value.
Money, yes.
Amount in the discontinuance fund value. Acha. The 26. 29th of December 2026. The petitioner is agreeable to the same stuff. In view of the above, the writ petition stands disposed of. On expiry of the lock-in period, the petitioner shall be intimated the formalities to be complied with for obtaining withdrawal of the amount disposed.
For including interest also. That part you have mentioned.
Yes, I have mentioned. Whatever interest, your interest will accrue.
Yes.
Is it the interest they will give you back?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.